One thing you definitely want to check is IK pops. You don't want the legs to stretch, so I'm going to go frame by frame, you see. Just make sure that we don't have sudden stretch in the legs. And there's a bit of a pop in here in the left knee. So if I go and grab the left foot control, you can see how the knee moves a little bit forward, then accelerates quite a lot, accelerates, then accelerates even more, and then a lot more, and then the next frame is changing direction. That's a bit strange. So I think in here, one trick that you can play is to go to frame 22 and trying to keep the same pose of the foot more or less, but lower it a little bit so that the knee won't lift that much and the inversion in the next frame will be gentler. Similarly, of course, on the opposite side, this mega movement forward, we're going to lower the leg quite a lot so that the transition will be a lot softer. You see now the knees are working a lot nicer. Still feel like I could hit the ground with the feet flatter a bit earlier because I feel we don't spend enough time on the floor. So I will animate the toe wiggle to keep the foot a bit flatter. There you go, that looks a bit better. And that's it. That's our Japan-inspired female run in action.